How to add or change your bio on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or change your bio on your Quora account easy and fast. So first thing, go to the app of Quora. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and now click again on your profile picture until it take you to this page right here. Now all what you have to do is click on edit profile, and you will find those options here. Click on edit bio right here, and here you go. Now choose the bio that you want. For example, welcome to my world. After you finish, just click done, and now this is my bio as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.